What's up, everybody? This is Reverend Guns, and today we are going to be taking apart the magazine to a Palmetto State Armory Dagger Compact. So, tools you will need. I'm using a 5/32 punch, but really you can use an Allen or anything that has some length and strength to it. Got a soft bristle brush with a detail end on the end of it. You want to use something that's clean that hasn't had solvents or oils all over it. I'm using isopropyl alcohol. It's 91%. It'll clean everything you need to and evaporate and dry pretty quickly. And then I've got a clean, fresh rag here to wipe stuff off as we go. So let's take it apart. If you look on the bottom here, you see quite the big button. And when you push that button in, you'll want to slide the base plate backward. Okay? So push it in, and with your thumb, push the base plate back. And now you want to keep your thumb over the end of this, because as soon as you remove the base plate, it's going to try and launch out at you. Okay? So slowly release your thumb, and we can pull out the whole spring, which contains the spring base and the follower. So they're just kind of snapped in there. I just kind of twisted it a little bit, and it should just pop right off. The follower should just snap right out of place. Okay? These are the pieces we will be cleaning today. I'm going to go through these one by one and get them cleaned up. Give it a little spray down. Go through and brush everything off. And then take your rag and wipe everything down. Okay. The spring base. Spray that. Start scrubbing. Take your rag and wipe everything off. The spring is a little hard to scrub, so I just kind of spray it and then wipe it down with my rag, just to get some cleaning done on it. This is also a good time to replace the spring. If you find that it is not cycling or not holding back the slide after you fire the last round, it's usually the spring, so this is a good time to replace it. The follower. This gets a lot of carbon buildup, as well as dirt and everything else. So you want to make sure you go at this real good. And then take your rag and wipe everything off. And that leaves the mag tube. And take your brush and just go at everything you can. Alright, once that's done, wipe it off. And I'll shove the rag through the bottom here just to get a good wipe off from the inside. Alright, so we don't put any oil on this because it's going to attract dirt and dust and whatever else. So we're going to skip that and go straight to putting it back together. So grab your mag tube, or I'm sorry, grab your spring. You'll notice there's a small end and a large end. The small end is what holds the follower. The large end is where the spring base goes. So you want to keep everything in line with the magazine. And take your follower, and we will basically snap it back into place. It just kind of pops in. And you'll know which way it goes by the orientation in the magazine, by how it's cut out. Take your spring base. The side with the button needs to go away from the spring, so you know that it is in the correct orientation. There we go. Just kind of snaps in. And we will cram this back in and press down on the spring until it's past the tube there. And it's got a couple rails here on the mag base itself. That's going to be facing downward, and it goes on from the back side and pushes forward. There you go. Snaps back into place. And we'll give this one more wipe down. There we go. So there you have it. We have just taken apart, cleaned, we didn't put lube on it, and then reassembled a magazine to a Palmetto State Armory Dagger compact. There's the pistol there. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. I'll gladly help you out. We will see you next time. Thanks for watching. I also offer the online course to get your Texas license to carry a handgun. It's the 4-hour class broken down into segments and saves you progress so you can do it at your own pace. After completing the course, you can print your certificate. Then it'll help you locate an instructor close to you, no matter where you are in Texas, so you can complete the shooting portion of the course. This is all certified by the Texas Department of Public Safety. Check it out at reverendguns.com. If you have any questions or comments, please add them below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more firearms education.